Hello, I am Chris Palmer. If you're brand new here, welcome to Chris Palmer SEO. In today's video, I would love to discuss how to get quality backlinks and how to gain backlinks faster than ever before. So that's exactly what I'm going to discuss in today's video. So let's just jump right into it. So the topic of gaining backlinks is a very vast topic, right? But not only do you want to gain quality backlinks and relevant backlinks, but you want to acquire them fast, at a fast velocity, especially, once you're in the later parts of your SEO campaign, you want to start picking up your velocity. So your blogging outreach or your outreach post velocity will start to increase because, of course, I'm sure that you're running a white hat campaign, right? So what I want to discuss on how to get backlinks faster, um, a simple tactic, a wonderful tactic to help you along, a method, a strategy to help you along to acquire backlinks faster when you're doing your manual outreach. Okay, I'll give you a quick tutorial. Maybe you're doing a write for us and then your topic, or your topic write for us as a search in Yahoo, Bing, and Google, right? You could search to do guest posts on numerous places. You could check search engines, social media. So with that out of the way, what I want to get at is this. You start sending out your emails, okay? So this is you, right? You're sending out emails, okay, for this person. All right, you're sending out numerous emails, all right, daily. I'm sure you're probably sending out 10 to 20 every single day, right? So that takes a lot of time. So you're sending out emails to your potential prospects. This is every single day. Let's say you'd send out 10, and out of those 10, right, you'll receive maybe one, maybe two at max. And my favorite part is you're right, or in your office, and you get the email back, okay? And the email says, sure, we allow guest posting and we want, say, $300, right? Or even better, I've heard absurd amounts of money to get a guest post, all right? Now, what's great about guest posting is generally the site will have high authority, high metrics, but 300 is completely out of the realm. And now, the next part about saving time and acquiring these links faster is not only are you doing the outreach, right? You're sending all of those emails. So you're sending tons of emails, right? So now you're like this. So you're sending out all these emails to only get a response of $100, $200, $300, and is when you actually write the post. So you have to spend the money to write the post, get a post written, or you have to spend the time, which is money basically, to write the post. Okay, I'm getting to it. I wanted to make a quality video. I wanted to share and give you an actionable tip. I wanted to explain the process for some of those that maybe do not know. But here's the problem. You have a brand new, beautiful post, right? That's, say, 1K words, right? It's excellent quality, so that cost money, right? So that cost money or time. And the posts are brand new on the website, right? So you have your website and it has this post and this post and this post. So here's your brand new post, but it has no backlinks to it. It has no interlinking to it as of yet. It's a brand new post. So the DA, right? The DA and the PA, however you want to look at it, for this brand new post is very low, right? Making me very sad. Okay? So I've spent money, I've spent time to get a post that isn't properly interlinked and is not receiving the proper power that my post deserves. So here is the tip. This, since you've stayed, I'm going to bring it to you. This is what I like to do instead, and this is my tip for you, okay? When you're doing your outreach, okay, first and foremost, you always want to let them know that you're brand new, okay? So you're doing your outreach. If you haven't done this before, you let them know that you're brand new. Always wait for them, okay? Always, no matter what, wait for them to shoot out a number. So you might send back and forth maybe 2 to 3 emails, but you never ever say anything about monetary value for a post until they say, hey, you know what? I'll do it for $100. Okay? As soon as they send you that value, that evaluation for the guest post, the very next thing, because you don't want to write a post, all right? You don't want to spend the money to write a post. You don't want to spend the time, and you want a powerful link, okay? So what I propose instead, all right, after you've done your outreach, after you've had communication with the prospect, is what I like to do instead is, instead of asking for the guest post, what you want to do is the very next email that you send is you're brand new, you're on a budget, right? And instead of writing a guest post, because, and the value for them is they won't have to, they won't have to edit it, it won't have to go through review. What you want to do instead is ask for an insertion into an already ranking and relevant post. So you want to get your link, right, for a lesser value, right, onto a page that is already established. You're simply asking for a link insertion on an already established page with high DA that's already relevant, that already has links pointing to it. That way you save money on the post, you save time, and you can reach out to more people and get more links at a much faster pace. So I call this the link insertion method for outreach. It is absolutely going to speed up your velocity of backlinks. It's also going to make it a lot easier for you to acquire backlinks, and it will save you money. So the long story short here is, I'll break it down for you. This is the quick recap, is when you're doing your outreach, you're going to send out your emails, right, to all of your potential prospects. Your prospects will email you back. You'll probably email them again, right? You wait for them to send you a value, okay? The very next email is telling them that you're new, right? You're on a budget, and propose to them, because you're on a budget and you're new, you want to propose to them a link insertion, okay, for a lower value on an already established page. Leave out that it's established, leave out all that part, but really you're acquiring the backlink for cheaper, and it's on a higher trusted, more authoritative page. I hope that this has helped you. I hope that you can get out there and earn more backlinks faster, cheaper, and save some time and money on your manual outreach. It has been absolutely wonderful sharing this method with you, and I hope to see you in the next video. Have a wonderful